We are outside the Hyderabad residence of former Telangana Chief Minister Mr. K. Chandrasekhar Rao, who is also the BRS president, and he is being questioned by the special investigation team that is probing into allegations that almost 6,004 connections were illegally tapped by the former administration oblique political leadership. So immediately after the elections, the allegation was that certain hard disks and electronic data had gone missing, and subsequently there were police complaints that were filed, and as many as 5 police officers were arrested, as well as the Special Investigation Bureau Chief Mr. Prabhakar Rao, who was in the US, has been brought back to India as well. And based on those statements now, the political leadership is being questioned. We have seen already BRS Working President K.T. Rama Rao, former ministers Harish Rao, as well as former MP Mr. Santosh Kumar being questioned by the SIT, and now Mr. KCR being questioned by them at his Hyderabad residence. That itself was a controversy, because when he was initially summoned, he was given the option that he could be questioned at home, given his seniority in age, that he is more than 65 years of age, and therefore he can be questioned at home. And he had requested that because of the municipal elections, he should be given the privilege of being questioned at Yerevelli, where he is having his residence. The SIT, however, replied saying that the official address that's been mentioned in affidavits is the Nandinagar residence, and therefore the date of Feb 1 was given for questioning of Mr. K. Chandrasekhar Rao. Two things that I must point out here. Mr. KCR is as of now being questioned as a witness, someone who is acquainted with the facts of the case, and not as an accused in this case. Of course, based on the statements made by the people who were earlier arrested, who were in the police force and were reporting to Mr. KCR, they believe that they have something that points to the involvement or the collusion or the directions of the former political leadership in Telangana. So what are the political implications? 3 different things that I must point out. One, that Revanth Reddy is certainly trying to say that KCR is not invincible, that he can also be questioned, and he is also someone who has feet of clay. The second aspect is that before the municipal elections, he would like the credibility of KCR to be questioned by the people of Telangana. And the third aspect is the BRS itself will pay the victim card and say, so someone of the stature of KCR being questioned by the SIT is something that is unacceptable. Of course, all this comes just on the eve of urban municipal polls here, and this is an area in which the BRS has been strong, whether it's Hyderabad or other urban areas, and therefore the SIT's probe, they would hope, will help break the credibility of the BRS, is what the leadership politically would be hoping in this particular case. The allegation itself is that not just the phones of Revanth Reddy, who is of course now the Chief Minister, and then he was the opposition leader, as well as other leaders across the political spectrum, journalists, judges, businessmen, that all their phones were tapped, and that the information was illegally used by the leadership them for political gains, as well as for alleged extortion. And all those cases are also now being investigated by the police. In Hyderabad, with camera person Nagraju, Uma Sudhir, NDTV.